Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to make pillow mockup in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the pillow. After make a perfect selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. And now pick a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle to the pillow size and hit OK. And convert it into smart object and reduce the opacity. And now double click on smart object icon and now import the design here. Go to file, place embedded and import the design and hit OK. And now transform it and hit OK. And now press Ctrl S to save and close this tab. And now create a clipping mask and full the opacity. And now change that blend mode to multiply. And now go to blending options and move the underlying slider to the left side and break it by holding Alt and drag with click and hit OK. Your pillow mockup is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.